Hello, everyone. Welcome back to your daily English podcast. I am Lisa. Today is about making you feel strong when you speak English. The topic is talking to anyone with confidence. Confidence is like a shield. It protects you from being afraid of mistakes. When you are confident, your English sounds better, even if your grammar is not perfect. Confidence is a superpower for learning. Our expert, Paul, is here. He will give us a very long, super detailed guide so you have phrase for every moment of a conversation. Welcome, Paul.
Hello, Lisa, and a huge welcome to all our brave listeners. We know speaking is difficult, but we will make it simple. We will use the rule, start small, feel tall. We have 5 main keys today that unlock your speaking power. 1. Body preparation, getting ready before you speak. 2. The start, simple ways to open the conversation. 3. The middle, easy questions to keep the talk going. 4. The finish, polite ways to end the conversation. And 5. The inner voice, your powerful self-talk.
This sounds like a complete conversation plan. Let's start with preparing the body and mind. Key 1 is body preparation. Before you open your mouth, your body needs to look ready and friendly. This makes the other person want to talk to you.
Remember the 3 look good rules. These are simple actions you can control. 1. Rule A, posture. Stand tall. Action, stand straight like a strong tree. Do not cross your arms. Crossed arms say, I am closed. Open arms say, I am open to talk. Simple self-check. Am I standing tall? Yes, good. Rule B, eye contact. Look and listen. Action, look at the other person's eyes. Look for a few seconds, then look away, then look back. This is natural. Do not look at the floor. Looking at the floor says, I am shy. Simple self-check. Am I looking at the floor? No. Good. Rule C, the smile, the friendly face. Action, start with the smile. A smile is the international sign for I am safe and friendly. Even if you are very nervous, a small smile helps both people. Simple self-check. Am I smiling? Yes. Good.
These rules are easy to remember. They control how the conversation starts before any words are said.
Your body says, I am ready.
Key 2 is the start. We need simple phrases that break the silence. Use these phrases when you are waiting for a bus, buying coffee, or standing next to someone.
We use 4 simple opener types. They use very basic English. 1. The weather starter. Very safe. Phrase 1. It's a nice day, isn't it? Simple statement, asking for agreement. Phrase 2. I hope it doesn't rain today. Talking about a wish for the future. Phrase 2. The compliment starter. Very friendly. Give a simple, true compliment. I like your jacket. Simple noun plus verb. Phrase 2. That bag is very nice. Phrase 3. The situation starter. About the place. Phrase 1. This coffee is very hot. Simple observation. Phrase 2. Are you waiting for the number 5 bus too? Asking about a shared action. Phrase 4. The sorry starter. For accidents. If you bump into someone, this is essential. Phrase, oh, sorry, my mistake. Saying it quickly and smiling.
My favorite is the compliment starter. It makes the other person feel happy immediately.
Remember, a conversation starter is just a small key to open a big door.
Key 3 is the middle. This is where you keep the talk alive. The secret is to listen, 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 and then ask a simple follow-up question.
Use the 4WH words to ask simple questions based on their answers. Who? Asking about a person. Them? I went to the park yesterday. You? Who did you go with? What? Asking about a thing or action. Them? I am reading a book. You? What is the book about? Where? Asking about a place. Them? My family lives in the city. You? Where does your family live? How? Asking about the way, method. Them? I came to the office early. You? How did you come to the office? By bus.
And while they're talking, use simple listener phrases to show attention. Aha, I see. That makes sense. That makes sense means I understand.
This makes you a great conversationalist. You are showing interest and you are practicing your English questions.
Key 4 is very important. What happens when you have a difficult moment? Maybe you don't understand, or maybe you make a big mistake.
We have 3 simple fixes for difficult moments. Fix 1, not understanding. Do not pretend you understood. Just ask them to say it again. Phrase 1, polite. Excuse me, can you say that again, please? Phrase 2, simple. Sorry, I don't understand that word. Fix 2, making a mistake. It's okay. Correct yourself and move on quickly. Example, I go to the park. Oh, I went to the park yesterday. Self-talk? My correction is my learning. Good job, me. Fix 3, forgetting a word. If you cannot remember the English word, use a simple description instead. You, I like the thing you used to open the door. The key. You described it until the word came.
This takes the fear away. We are giving ourselves permission to be human. The simple phrase is, mistakes are my teachers. Key 5 covers 2 vital parts, your inner voice and how to politely finish the conversation.
Your inner voice is your best friend. 1. Daily affirmations, self-talk. Say these 3 simple things in the morning. I am a good learner. My English improves every day. I am proud of my effort. Effort means trying hard. 2. The polite finish. You must end the conversation before it gets awkward, or you get too tired. Phrase 1. I am sorry, but I have to go now. Simple, clear, time-related. Phrase 2. Positive ending. It was very nice to meet you. Simple, kind. Phrase 3. Wish well. Have a wonderful day.
And then you leave with your head held high, using your confident posture.
You end the conversation telling yourself, I did it. I spoke English and I was brave.
Paul, this was the ultimate super long guide. We covered the 5 keys: body preparation, the start, the middle, difficult moments, and the inner voice. Let's review the most powerful simple phrases.
Body, stand straight and smile. Start, it's a nice day, isn't it? Middle, tell me more. Fix, excuse me. Can you say that again, please? Finish, it was nice to talk to you. I must go now.
Confidence is like a muscle. You must use it every day to make it stronger. Be brave, start small, and feel tall.
Your homework is Choose one conversation starter and one follow-up question. Use these 2 phrases with 2 different people today. And remember your daily affirmations.
Thank you for listening to your daily English podcast. You are a brave, successful learner. Until next time, be confident and keep speaking. Bye.